Alright, y'all, what's good, y'all? The same day still, I decided to just come up here to the Kenneth Hahn trail. It's right here. Show y'all this view real quick. Only been up here like once, and I didn't really go all the way through it, but I decided that today I'm gonna go through it. Well, at least see how far I can get through this trail. And I want to show y'all this too as well, because it is a dope view up here. I just got through finished making my return video earlier, so y'all go check that out. Link will be in the description, so please go check it out. Go to show y'all this real quick before I get all the way up there. But so far, this what y'all can see. It's like, I don't know what, Hollywood pretty much. There go the Hollywood sign right there. See the Hollywood sign. Look how nice that look. Look beautiful, man. Look at that. Wow. Wow. And I'm saying wow because, look, y'all, I just been feeling real positive lately, man. I just been trying to feel good within. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm bringing on my channel. Positivity all the time. Every time I make my video, all positivity. When I'm off the camera, I'm still practicing my positivity, my good energy, my good vibes. So that's what I've been on, man. Coming out to the world more, coming out to nature more, just stuff like that. So, and I'm bringing y'all along with my adventure. So that's what I've been on, man. All positivity, all good energy, man. Good vibes. It's all we spreading, man, on this channel, man. LD Squad, the Realist Squad on YouTube, the Dopest Squad on YouTube. Facts, all facts, man. But that's beautiful, man. And I just wanted to point this out. Using the fucking camera is way better than using my phone. Like, yeah, I miss my phone. Them dudes took my phone and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, it's just a material thing. I'd be hurt low-key if I lose my camera. But I'm glad I got my camera back. I still got it. I had it since like a year. Talking on camera is really kind of hard, y'all. I'm not good at this. I'm not, but it's go get better through time. So shit. The reason I'm standing right here too, because I'm facing the sunlight, which is good, but also that's where the light is good at. I'm not finna face this way and be all dark and shit. Which I'm not really tripping about, but there ain't nothing back there anyway for y'all to even see, because I ain't got up there yet. But so I'm facing this way. So if y'all new to the channel, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing, man. Please do that to become real. Be real to yourself, man. Be authentic. Be truthful to yourself. Join the squad, man. LD Squad. Let's go. So I'm gonna go to head up here. Then that's what we gonna do. So, hey, but vlogging though, man, I actually like vlogging though. I told y'all that in the last video anyways, that's what I was gonna be on. I was gonna be vlogging. Last time I came up here, I went right too. I went that way. The last time I came up here. That was pretty much it now. So down there. Now I can show y'all the view up over there. DTLA down there. Look how clear that look, man. That look nice, man. See, if I had my phone, I would not be able to do this, and it would not be looking clear. So I see why they say use actual cameras. And this is not even a vlogging camera. This is a Canon SH530 power shot. But it can do some good stuff like this, so that's nice, man. That's nice. Hold on. I actually have to take a picture of that. There go Hollywood again. Hollywood sign. Y'all see the Hollywood sign. Big zoom in action, boy. That's see the birds up there, man. Look at that, man. This is dope, man. See? That's what I like doing. I'm gonna be having fun doing this, man. Zooming in on stuff, that's what I'm about, man. I'm gonna have fun. Actually, I'm gonna try to get a thumbnail too, real quick, just in case. You know what I'm saying? Get a big thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? Big thumbnail. So I think I'm gonna go go the way I continue to went last time. I'm gonna go right. Show y'all this there real quick. I guess I didn't even actually look at this when I came up here. So ball trip. Let's go, man. Again, hit the thumbs up button. To the channel. Hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe. Enjoying the video so far. You don't gotta. I ain't ask you to do it. Like, but if you've enjoyed the video so far, you've been in here. So make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I just stopped having the camera on the left and have it on the fucking in the center of me like this. But I feel like I'm gonna look retarded if I'm doing it like this. But I don't know what's over here. It look like that's water up over there. You know, y'all can see that. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. That big old glow over there reflection. I don't know what that is. But we gonna keep walking though. It's a better view up here too. Little breeze going. Y'all ever think about like the mountains and all that, like where the hell did mountains come from and what would ever happen to them? I highly doubt something happened to the mountains, but I'm just a little small human on a big planet called Earth. Connect with nature and just inhale, exhale. Get a microphone soon. Just wanna let y'all know too, through time, my vlogs, they will get better. Vlogging is supposed to be entertaining, but I feel like vlogging is just you being random, like just recording stuff, randomly recording something. Yeah, you could plan it, you could plan to vlog it, but it's like you go do something and then vlog it. That's what vlogging is. So that's what I feel like. That's what it is. Like I kind of planned this, but then again I didn't. But I'm up here, so that's why I'm bringing y'all to vlog it, to video, record it. Gimme? So you dig? Let's go. I really gotta pee though. Just hear the rocks crack. So you know I don't care about these shoes. Oh, why you got so dirty? You walking in dirt. I don't care about these shoes, man. It ain't dope. Favorite pair, to be honest. Call me Looney, cause I'm a tune. Looney Tune, call me Looney, cause I'm a tune. Looney Tune. Ocean over there. I'm gonna go to the beach too. Go to the beach real soon. Just stay tuned, man. Like I said. God bless you. It's how you meditate too, man. When you come out in nature more too, it's more quiet. You know, you can connect with your inner self, man. That's what it's about. That's what I really be on that more, man. So far, today was a good day. Really didn't do much but this. You feel like I'm holding the camera weird though, like I don't know, I feel like damn. Cause when I look at the footage, it's all like this, like I don't know. But like I said, I'm gonna get better at this camera stuff, all this stuff, man. Editing all this shit. Right now I'm just making my videos, man, and put them out there. Try to be as creative as I can. But I got deeper into the trail now. People, I guess it's a little small little park over there. Over there, you got people chilling over there and stuff. So I'm about to just go back home to my mom's house, edit these videos, and then I'm gonna upload this one. I'm gonna upload this one after the first one I made. So y'all stay tuned for that. And then here go the other memory card too. This one don't even work no more, so that's why I bought another one. But yeah, man, let's go. Let's go. Gotta get lit on here, man. Let's go. We got ivy right there, fountain grass, castor bean, Tree of Heaven, Cape Ivy. That's it. Pampas grass, ice plant, fennel, arundo, ivy, and Vitica. But where the plants at, bro? I don't see. I said planets. Where the plants at, bro? I don't see none of these. They should be right here, planted. Where are they? I'm slow though, cause the sign clearly said terrible invasive plants of Southern California. That's what it clearly said. So what? Still need the plants. Oh snap! It's John nice. This John nice. Oh, my camera finna die? It's cool, I got the other battery. Look at this view. That John look nice. It's a good place to like chill too and meditate, man. It's nice, man. Smell the air. Smell the good old fresh air. I think we got some tourists over there. Hey, this is nice, dude. Got the I Have a Dream. Shout outs to ML King. Never seen this, y'all. My first time coming up here and I've never seen this. Time is right to do what is right. That probably won't say nothing. This one says injustice. Alright, y'all, so I guess this is the big circle. It's the real green right here, man. Yeah, we need the other green to survive or to just make it in life, but this is really life right here. Just doing this, man. So do this more. Come out more in the world. You see a lot of stuff, a lot of good things. I might just walk down there. LaDarren activated. Yeah, it's a dope spot. Shout outs to the sun though, man. I don't know what we or I would be. I or we would be without you. The sun. I need you in my life. The sun. Where will we be without no sun? Man, that's crazy. Alright, LD squad, so I'm headed back to the beginning of the trail. Like I told y'all in the beginning, it is a left side to this trail. But I'm gonna come back up here some other time, man. I'm gonna be coming up here a lot though, to go over there and chill, man, meditate over there. Just get some peace of mind, you know what I'm saying? Peace, that's what it's about too. Peace, positivity, good energy, good vibes, man. Connected with nature, staring under the sun, man. Getting your health right, getting your body right, getting your mind right. That's what I'm all on, man. So y'all continue to spread that energy. I'ma spread that energy and positivity. Dope view, man. A lot of those people was over there. They had the good cameras. They had a lot of DSLRs over there, taking some good shots of downtown LA. Took like 2-3 pictures, low key. But I don't got a DSLR. I got a power shot. Got a power shot. So my man's right there. I got a DSLR too. He probably headed to that location, but that's a dope view, man. From the eyes point of view, that's a dope view. I know if the camera can make any difference, but it's a pretty dope view, man. Seeing that, not the best thing to see. fucking downtown LA, which I've been here my whole life, so there's plenty of other places and things I want to see, and I will see. It's my goal too, man, to travel the world, see other stuff, meet other people around the world, just not just this Los Angeles, California life energy, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to travel too, so this vlogging stuff really is a workout though. But these YouTube dudes really be used to that. My arm hurting already. But yeah, man, really enjoyed myself though today. Trying to still figure out what could I keep talking to y'all about. But got the planes over there. Pause real quick, see if I can locate the planes for y'all over there. There we go. They headed to the airport, which is over there too. Beach vlogs. It's a whole lot of stuff coming soon on this channel, man. It's just the beginning for me still. I made this channel back in 2014. No, say like 2016. That's when I made my channel. But I never just like been consistent on it with videos and stuff. But this is the time, man. Like, I've been feeling it for a minute now. Like, this is the time to really be serious. Just take this for real, no matter what. So if I'm not getting no revenue, still just do it, because I like doing it. It's a hobby, so that's what I'm gonna be on. I'm not even gonna say soon either. I'm gonna just say day by day. That's what I'm gonna say. Day by day, you'll see varieties of videos on my channel. And then we got some bike trails too. Small bike trails, so you know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff you can do out in nature. There's plenty of content out here to make, man, create. And that's what I'm gonna be doing. Creating content, creating. Alright, y'all, we got the Hellcat right there. This is all I got for today though, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this little nature vlog today, man, make sure y'all hit the thumbs up button for me. Please subscribe and join the Realist Squad on YouTube, the LD Squad. We out of here, man. Catch y'all back in the next video.